Blessed be the Lord who daily carries your burdens. You are not alone. God lifts what you cannot lift, restores what seems lost, and strengthens your weak places. He is holding you up. When the idol of Bethlehem was taken, fear filled the people. Whatever you idolize can control you. Hosea 10 calls us to worship the unshakable, unbeatable, unstoppable God alone. Trust Him. He never falls.
Hosea 10 verse 1 calls Israel a fruitless vine because God wasn't at the center. But when you reconnect to your true source, fruit returns. Stay rooted in Him. Let His life flow through you. Today, God restores your productivity.
Hosea 10 verse 10 shows God disciplines to deliver, not destroy. His correction is a compass. When He exposes what binds you, it's because He wants to free you. Receive His love.
Hosea 10:3 says, "We have no king because we feared not the Lord." Human systems fail, human leaders fail, but Christ never fails. Place your trust in the eternal King.
Israel trusted in their warriors, not their God. Hosea 10 reminds us, human strength collapses, but divine strength stands forever. Release your plans and let God take over.
Hosea 10 verse 4 exposes empty words and broken promises. God desires covenant, not convenience. Return to Him with truth and watch your spiritual foundation become unbreakable.
Hosea 10:2 says, "Divided hearts build broken altars." Anything you place above God will eventually fall. Return fully to Him and rebuild the altar of your life.
Hosea 10:12 promises divine rain when we seek God. Dry seasons don't intimidate Him. Today, expect mercy to pour over every barren place. God has prepared rain for your obedience. 74, 64, 49.
Hosea 10:13 warns, "You plowed wickedness and reaped iniquity. Your harvest is a reflection of your planting. Shift your seeds today. Choose faith, purity, and prayer. A new season is coming."
Beloved, God calls you to break the hard places of your heart. Hosea 10 verse 12 says, "Sow righteousness. When you plow new ground, heaven responds. Your past ends where obedience begins. Make room for something fresh. Let God sow His righteousness in you today."
Psalm 68 verse 19 says, "God loads you daily with benefits, favor, mercy, opportunities, protection." Today is not empty. Heaven prepared blessings with your name on them. Step into this day with expectation and confidence. Step into this day with expectation.
Authority comes from truth. Luke 10:19. Authority is released when truth is known. Jesus gave power over darkness. What you understand in truth, you command in victory.